Hello again, everybody. Welcome to Breakaway C Box Breaks for the 2014-2015 Upper Deck Black Diamond Box Break number 7. There's the last one for auction. There's Edmondson. So the number is any 205-654-590. That's any 205-654-590. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Double Diamond, Craig Anderson for the Senators. Triple Diamond Rookie Gems of Vincent Trocheck for the Panthers. Double Diamond Zach Parise for the Wild. Got a nice hit here. Quad Emerald Auto for the Islanders of John Tavares. It is numbered 8 out of 10. John Tavares for the Islanders. Quad Diamond Auto. Nice hit for the Islanders. Got a Triple Diamond Rookie Gems of Jake McCabe for the Sabres. Double Diamond Pecorino for the Predators. Triple Diamond Henrik Zetterberg for the Red Wings. Got Quad Diamond Rookie Gems of Chris Tierney for the Sharks. Double Diamond Henrik Sedin for the Canucks. Triple Diamond Tuukka Rask for the Bruins. Triple Diamond Ozzy Kopitar for the Kings. Double Diamond John Gibson for the Ducks. Jersey card Brent Seabrook for the Sabres, or sorry, for the Blackhawks. I don't know why I said Sabres. Triple Diamond Rookie Gems of Ryan Sproul for the Red Wings. And we got jersey card for the Leafs of Ron Francis. Got Quad Diamond Dominic Hasek. I forget how many games he played the most for. I can't remember. It's either Detroit or Buffalo. I'm sorry, Buffalo or Ottawa. I'm pretty sure it's Buffalo. And Quad Diamond Rookie Gems of Stuart Piercy for the Leafs. It is number 42 to 150. Just quickly check the Hasek thing at the end. All base pack. Back-to-back all base. There we go. You got a nice hit. Quad Diamond Rookie Gems. Johnny Gaudreau for the Flames. Johnny Hockey. He has 21 points already. 5 goals, 16 assists. Double Diamond. Adam Oates for the Bruins. For the bonus pack. Ryan Callahan for the Lightning. And go figure, Dominic Hasek. And we finish off with the Quad Diamond Rookie Gems of Andre Borowski for the Capitals. Let me just quickly check Dominic Hasek. Yeah, the Sabres. You played the most games for the Sabres by far. So those two Hasek cards go to Buffalo. And thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.